Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install or download Aaptiv Fitness for Everyone. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Aaptiv. Then you can see an app that says Aaptiv Fitness for Everyone. Click on it and then press install. With this app, you can track your fitness progress, compete in a team challenge, take the on-demand classes, and many more to help you get to your fitness peak. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and then you can enjoy fitness challenges. This much for today's video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.